Hi, this is Betty Wang from Beijing Hongdee Corporation. We are a manufacturer for refracting units and instrument tables. Today, I will introduce you our model HD120. Like what you see, this is the working station. Here for printer, here for computer, here for documents, trail and set drawer, computer host. This tabletop is for slit lamp, and these charging ports are for ophthalmoscope and retinoscope. Here we have touch panel. The tabletop up and down. Slide out. Here we have sensor. If some person here, it will stop automatically. Slide in. And power for these two charging ports. Lamp. So, this is pretty much about our model HD120. Thank you.